Okay everyone, one more tutorial. Here you do have a handout that describes all of this process, which is uploading your podcast to the class wiki. As it says in the module instructions, if we do have access, everybody in Westford does have access to this wiki podcast type of server that we use in Westford. It's not as nice or as fancy, I would say, as EduBlogs, but it does allow you to upload videos and slideshows. That's something you can't do on EduBlogs unless you're paid. So we use it a lot just for kids to turn in their projects and then look at each other's projects and comments on a project. It's a nice little tool, and just by being a member of the Westford Public Schools community, you have an account. So the address, and also there's a very nice handout in the Module 3 instructions. It's uploaded on Edmodo. It's called I do believe it's called Posting to Wiki, something that has a long file name, but you'll find that right there. So use that while you're looking at this, and you'll have two different resources to do this part of the project. The directions are pretty clear, but I like to show you. So the first thing you're going to do is go to pod.westfordma.gov, and you can see it's called the Westford Public Schools Collaboration Site. I click on that, and this is where I end up. The next part is you want to stop over here to the left and say log in. And when you log in, your login should be your first initial, last name, and then your password of the last 4 digits of your social. Now, if you are fairly new to the system, the default password that they put in would be WPS and the year you started, so WPS 2009, WPS 2012, but I do believe these were all put in 2010, 2011, so if you were here in Westford before that, it should be the last 4 digits of your social. Give it a try. If you can't log in, please talk to your ITS or send an email to Kathy and I, and we'll see if we can help you out. So I'm going to say log in right here, and I get this page, and it shows all these updates, and I really don't want to see, and I'm going to see an awful lot here. These are basically updates at other classes that are using the wiki, using the server, but they keep everything public, so it shows all of the posts that people have put in. So then I say wikis here, and you see a lot of different places. You can see Abbott uses it. We have AP Psych uses it. Now, I see all of these because some of them are public, but also because classes have set them up, and they usually set me up on board so that I can get in and fix things if things happen. But what you can do is just go up here to search and say weaving, and no results found. Oh dear, it should be here. I set it up the other day. Let's scroll to the bottom. Let's go to the next. Yes, I should have checked this out before I brought you on. Go down, Weaving Technology 2013. I have no idea why it didn't come up in the search, but you should all have this, Weaving Technology 2013. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to get right to this class portal. I didn't put anything on the front page right now. It might be there by the time you get on it. So what you can do, you also won't see all of these functions. Kathy and I are administrators. We don't need you to see these because you don't want to be bothered with all of that. But what you're going to now do is you're going to go to this section right here that says blog. So you opened it up. You have this right here in the top right corner. You're going to say blog, and simply hit plus. And when you have the entry title, you're going to say put in Stephanie's digital story. I think that's what I asked you to put in. So I'm going to say create. And the next piece is I'm going to go right here to media, and I'm going to choose a file. And now remember, when you shared out your podcast, you put it to iTunes. And it would be really nice if you could just go to iTunes, take it and drag it maybe you could, but this is a better way to get it. I say plus, and then I browse for the file. I go to Music, iTunes, follow my path here, maybe make it bigger so you can see it all the way across. iTunes Media, Music, and here I am, S. Gosselin's album, oops, wrong one, Stephanie Gosselin, demo album, and there I have demo weaving, M4A, that's my video. That's the one that I just made a few minutes ago, and I'm going to choose. And here it is. Put it right up there. I don't need any text alternative. I don't really want to, and I'm going to say insert. And there it is. Now, I'm going to try one more time. It's uploading. And sometimes it does this. People have issues with it. It's a little slow. Let's see what's going on with it. I had a student this morning who had a little bit of a struggle, but here it is right here, like that. I can then take it and make it a little bigger and click on it like that. Yep, should be able to. No, you can't hear that, but it's playing right up there. There's a way you can take it and make it a little bit bigger. No, that's okay. We can keep it small. We used to be able to make it bigger, but this is kind of not going, so there we go. Yep, there I am, upside down, everybody. If I click on this, it goes full screen, which is kind of neat too. Alright, so there you go. If I want to get out of that full screen, click here, I go back. Now the other thing is you might want to just quickly put in a little description. This is doesn't have to be long, but you can kind of give people an idea of what you're going to do with it. Alright, just totally got that. There we go, edit. Again, I'm going to do this, choose file, it's there. It's insert, not sure where it went, but it's here somewhere. Sometimes they just kind of get moved around a little. And I put it in. Again. It takes a little while sometimes. Here it is. So this time I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to delete the text around it. I think what happened was I deleted it before. And I'm going to say save. And now here's my story. So when the page loads, so by the end of this project, we're going to have Bob's digital story and Caitlin's digital story and all of the Trish's digital story. Everybody's going to come down and we'll be able to go in and look at them all. So that's a quick summary. You should be in pretty good shape that way. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Again, please use the tutorial that is on Edmodo for you. It's a great tutorial. It's nice. It's lots of good visuals, so it should help you right through. When you're done, you can log out and just say log out right here. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.